下一组的音乐合伙人是薛凯琪和 Jessica。 让我们掌声欢迎薛凯琪 Jessica。
干他！干他！冲！
I think people would think if I did something with you, it must be a fast song. So me and Jessica this time wants to give 大家 a surprise.
We want to give you guys a 慢歌。
I have this like song that a lot of people like called Better Me, and then Better Me is this singer wrote it, and she's called AGA.
She's the singer?
Yeah. So we're gonna ask her her inspiration when she wrote the song. What is it about? Does it have a story?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, AGA.
我覺得呢一首歌其實係講呢一個女仔中意咗自己最好嘅朋友，但係又唔敢講。
每一首歌作者或者填詞人都會有他的一些原來你不知道的故事。聽完之後，我會知道他那個氛圍感的故事，會有一些幫助。This song is about the girl falling in love with her best friend. And she's afraid to say it because she's afraid that if I say it and then you reject me, we'll lose our friendship.
I didn't know that it was like an imagination.
Deep. It's so deep. Yeah, because she said the whole thing is like more than a regret.
Regret, yeah.
他词是挺明显的，就是有可惜的。但人生就是很多可惜啊，只要你的人有要求，就会有可惜。We really kind of want to present to you the song in the way that it originally is, but with more emotion.
Yes. I think we just need some harmony and we just need to be actually looking at each other.
Yes, yes.我就大概5、6天前失声嘛，一直没好。
哎呀 My head hurts so much. I lost my voice, and the past couple of days, actually this week, I was very ill. I was very worried about this performance actually, because this one is all about singing.
Withstand it. Withstand it. Just withstand it. More awake. This is the acupuncture. You ask your people do for you the 2 pinky.
I just worry that at one point I might lose my voice. When I was doing the rehearsal, maybe the first round it was okay, and then the second and third, I just really couldn't sing it.
怎么这么巧？怎么就这么巧？问我团队这里那么多歌手，只有我和他上，而且都是跟嗓子有关的。
I never knew when the clock stopped and I'm looking at you. I never thought I'll meet someone like you, someone I thought that I knew. I never knew, I should have known something wouldn't be true. Baby, you know that I'm so into you, more than I know I should do. So I should we wait here? And I should be waiting for someone new.